Hey there, campers! Here's how you can get thread in Outbound. Thread is an essential crafting material used for creating better gear in the game, especially clothing upgrades that improve your character's stats. Before you can craft thread, you'll first need to reach Sunbeam-Acre's farm and unlock the spinning wheel blueprint, since that's the workstation used to produce thread. To get there, you'll also need to upgrade your camper van's motor first. Once you've downloaded the spinning wheel blueprint, set up camp and open the build menu. Head to the Workstations tab and select this box icon with the rotating arrows. That's where you'll find the spinning wheel. Build it, interact with it, and you'll be able to craft thread using 2 fiber for each piece. Craft however much thread you need, wait for the process to finish, then collect the finished thread from the spinning wheel's output window. You can either place it directly into your inventory or store it inside your camper van. And that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.